Computer generations. After these early calculating machines, the present computer took its shape in 5 generations. First generation, 1940s. There were many computers that were a part of the first generation computers. Mark I, the first electromechanical powered computer. In 1944, Professor Howard Aiken built the first electromechanical computer named Mark I. It used punched cards and a typewriter for input and output. Mark I was much more reliable than early electronic computers.
ENIAC,
The first electronic computer. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer was the first electronic general-purpose digital computer built in 1946 by John Mauchly and Presper Eckert. It contained over 18,000 vacuum tubes and was 1,000 times faster than Mark I.
ENIAC,
Consumed almost 200 kilowatts of power.
UNIVAC,
Or Universal Automatic Computer was another successful invention of John Mauchly and Presper Eckert in 1951, which could handle both numeric and textual information. The UNIVAC had 5,200 vacuum tubes. Features of first-generation computers: huge in size, very expensive, made up of vacuum tubes. Second generation, 1950s. After 1955, use of transistors and magnetic tapes changed the image of the electronic computer. During this period, the major computer manufacturers began to offer a range of accessories such as page printers, cathode ray tube display, card feeders, etc. Features of second-generation computers: made up of transistors. Magnetic tapes were used to store data. Small in size and less expensive than the first-generation computer. Faster and reliable. Third generation, 1960s. In the third generation, the invention of integrated circuits (IC) led to smaller-sized computers with better functioning and more storage. Features of third-generation computers. These computers were made of ICs. The use of the ICs reduced the size and increased the speed of the computers. They were more affordable and dependable. Fourth generation, 1970s. In 1980s, Very Large-Scale Integration (VLSI) came into existence, in which thousands of transistors were placed on a single chip called a microprocessor. IBM released their first line of desktop PC, which was used by the Intel 8088 chip as their CPU. In 1983, IBM introduced the PC XT, which had more memory and more hard drive space. In 1985, Microsoft released the first version of Microsoft Windows. Features of fourth-generation computers. Microprocessors were invented. Small in size and could be placed on an office table. Hard disk to store data. Introduction of GUI operating system. Fifth generation, present. After 1986,
ULSI
technology was used to develop more powerful microprocessors to improve the speed, size, cost and performance of computers. In 1997, Intel introduced the MMX microprocessors, which were designed to improve gaming and multimedia performance. Scientists are still trying to develop computers with artificial intelligence (AI). Features of fifth-generation computers: use artificial intelligence, improved size, cost, speed and performance. New versions of GUI operating systems are developed. Modern computers. Modern computers are what we see today. They come in different sizes. Desktop computer. We keep a desktop computer on a desk. We cannot carry it around easily. It is seen at various places such as homes, schools and shops. Laptop. A laptop is smaller than a desktop computer. We can keep it on our lap. It is also called a notebook computer. We can carry it easily to any place. It works on a battery that needs to be charged. Tablet. A tablet is a notebook-sized mobile computer. It has a touch screen that allows a user to operate it without a keyboard and mouse by just touching on its screen. Smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile phone that can be used as a computer also. It is smaller in size than a tablet and can be held in a hand. It has a touch screen. It is used to make calls, send SMS, play games, watch videos, click pictures and do a lot of things.